When Google Earth isn't enough and military satellites are busy, there's Planet Labs PBC, or just Planet. This space data company is on a mission to use satellite technology to improve life on Earth. It seeks to make global change visible, accessible, and actionable by imaging the planet every day and transforming those images into useful data. Founded in 2010 by former NASA scientists, Planet operates what it describes as the largest fleet of Earth observation satellites in history. These satellites continuously capture imagery of Earth's landmass, producing a massive and growing archive of historical satellite data. On average, the archive contains more than 3,000 images for every location on Earth's land surface. Because the dataset spans many years and continues to grow daily, it provides a unique resource for analytics, machine learning, and long-term trend analysis. Planet's bread and butter is collecting medium and high-resolution satellite imagery using hundreds of satellites that orbit Earth and capture images daily. The raw imagery is processed through automated pipelines using machine learning, remote sensing science, and cloud infrastructure. The result is analytics-ready Earth observation data that customers can integrate into their own systems. Planet distributes this data through a cloud-native platform that allows businesses, governments, and organizations to monitor changes across the planet in near real time. By observing global changes at scale, Planet's data helps address issues such as deforestation, agriculture productivity, biodiversity loss, supply chain monitoring, and climate change. Its large historical archive enables time series analysis and predictive modeling, which are particularly valuable for machine learning applications. Planet serves a wide range of commercial and government customers. Key industries include agriculture, mapping, energy, forestry, finance, insurance, and government agencies. These organizations use satellite imagery to observe large geographic areas and understand how conditions change over time. Most of its revenue is generated through licensing satellite imagery and analytics via a cloud platform. These services are typically delivered through subscription contracts or usage-based agreements, creating recurring revenue streams. Planet's business model relies on a one-to-many data approach. A single satellite image can be sold to many customers simultaneously. Because distributing digital data has low marginal costs, the model allows Planet to scale efficiently as demand grows. Planet also positions itself as a public benefit corporation with a mission aligned to global sustainability and transparency. By providing unbiased environmental data, it aims to support better decision-making around climate change, environmental protection, and economic development. Several global trends are increasing demand for Earth observation data. One major driver is global security and transparency. Governments, research organizations, and media increasingly rely on satellite imagery to monitor geopolitical developments and provide objective information about events anywhere in the world. Another key driver is sustainability and environmental monitoring. Governments and corporations face growing pressure to measure environmental impact, manage emissions, and protect natural resources. Satellite imagery allows for large-scale monitoring of ecosystems, land use, and environmental changes, helping organizations meet regulatory requirements and sustainability goals. Digital transformation is also expanding demand for satellite data. As companies adopt artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data-driven decision tools, they require reliable datasets that integrate easily into cloud platforms. Planet's cloud-native delivery model allows its satellite data to be integrated directly into analytical workflows and AI systems. In agriculture, satellite imagery enables precision farming by monitoring crop health, irrigation, soil conditions, and harvest planning. Governments and environmental agencies use satellite monitoring to manage forests, monitor biodiversity, protect water resources, and plan infrastructure or smart cities. Defense and intelligence organizations increasingly use commercial satellite imagery to complement government systems. Applications often involve maritime surveillance, disaster response, and monitoring natural resources. The energy and utilities sector uses satellite data to monitor infrastructure, detect environmental incidents such as oil spills, and ensure regulatory compliance. Sustainability and supply chain companies use the data to track emissions, monitor environmental impact, and analyze transportation networks. Financial institutions and insurers also benefit from satellite data. Analysts use imagery to estimate economic activity, assess commodity production, and evaluate environmental risks such as floods, droughts, or wildfires. Forestry companies rely on satellite monitoring to track forest growth, detect illegal logging, identify disease outbreaks, and manage large forested areas efficiently. To evolve with growing and changing demand, Planet's technology strategy focuses on three main capabilities: agile aerospace, proprietary big data, and platform analytics. The agile aerospace approach centers on building many smaller satellites instead of a few large and expensive spacecraft. These satellites can be produced quickly, launched frequently, and upgraded regularly. This allows Planet to innovate faster and reduce costs compared with traditional space programs. Its second advantage is its proprietary data archive. Planet's satellites have been collecting imagery for many years, producing a dataset that cannot easily be replicated. Historical imagery dating back to 2009 and daily global monitoring since 2017 create a valuable resource for training machine learning models and analyzing long-term environmental changes. Then with Planet's cloud-based platform and analytics tools, users can access imagery through web applications or APIs, integrate it into geographic information systems, or conduct large-scale analysis using cloud computing. The platform also includes automated tools for change detection, image correction, and object recognition. Planet provides several categories of satellite data products. One product line offers daily global monitoring at moderate resolution, allowing customers to detect large-scale changes across regions. Another product line focuses on high-resolution imagery captured by taskable satellites that can photograph specific locations multiple times per day with resolutions around 50 centimeters. It also provides hyperspectral imagery that captures hundreds of spectral bands. This technology allows scientists to detect chemical signatures and environmental indicators, such as methane emissions. Planet's platform includes tools to simplify data usage. APIs enable developers to integrate imagery directly into applications and data pipelines. Web-based tools allow users to order imagery, track locations of interest, and analyze changes without specialized expertise. It also produces base maps, created by combining imagery into consistent, cloud-free maps of large regions. These maps serve as reliable reference layers for geographic analysis. Advanced analytics powered by machine learning allow Planet to detect objects such as ships, aircraft, buildings, and roads automatically. It also produces environmental datasets known as planetary variables, which measure indicators like soil moisture, land surface temperature, crop biomass, and forest carbon levels. Planet has expanded partnerships across commercial and government sectors. For example, it works with insurance provider AXA to integrate satellite data into disaster monitoring and risk management systems. Governments also use Planet's imagery to improve disaster response and environmental monitoring. In defense and national security, Planet has signed major contracts with countries including Sweden, Germany, and Japan, as well as organizations such as NATO and the U.S. National Geospatial Intelligence Agency. These partnerships provide high-resolution imagery and geospatial intelligence for maritime monitoring, security operations, and regional situational awareness. Planet has also secured contracts with the U.S. Navy and other defense organizations to detect vessel activity, monitor illegal fishing, and track maritime operations across large ocean regions. Through growth from commercial subscriptions and government contracts, Planet maintains gross margins near 59% and a strong balance sheet with more cash than debt. It stays competitive with its large satellite fleet, extensive historical data archive, cloud-based platform, and scalable subscription model. Because the same imagery can be sold to multiple customers, Planet can generate recurring revenue while keeping distribution costs low, just like the low cost of TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free, link in the description and pinned comment.